Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. You're listening developer. Like we have just covered up many of the things using React 18 and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we have done yet. And we have started the Java series as well with that, and I've also covered up many of the videos using Java. But in the previous videos we have built first practical project using Java, and I hope you understand that. So today we are also building an amazing project, but today we are not using Java, but because we have just done the previous video related to Java. So today our video is about React 18, and you all know that I'm not doing the React 18 tutorial project based, so I will be telling you about the tag in this video as well, and I hope you'll be understanding today's project which we are working with React 18, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well. So if you enjoy today's video and if you understand this, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that, and I hope that it will be giving you help. And if it gives help to you, so remember to hit notification bell and subscribe. And if you want to ask any question about these all videos and these all projects which I am asking, you can just ask me through my comment section, or you can also just contact me personally through my Instagram page or through my links which I have given you down. And also you can just suggest me what things I should make you in which language in future. And you can also just see my all the previous videos which I have covered up using React, JavaScript, because that will also giving you help if you want to learn that all stuff. But now we'll be starting with our today's video, and we'll be seeing that how we are just building this amazing project here of React 18 and what things will be including in this amazing project here. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using React 18, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build this project. So for building the project using React 18, I will be opening my VS Code. Moving forward, I will be telling you what project we are building. So like you all know that when we are building any of the project using React 18, I was using one folder with the name of F1. So I will be opening that folder that was on local disk E. So I will be now going to open folder, then you have to move to local disk C. This is our folder F1. So I will be pressing this, and then I will be selecting folder this. Then you have to now just run this terminal. So I will be now just writing the command here, which should be like npm. Then you have to write here start. After writing npm start, here your folder will be now running. So we have to move to our main files. This is our two main files from which we'll be working, app.js and app.css. So here I will be moving to this file and erasing all the codes from here because we will be not needing. So today in this video I will be telling you where React app will be running, like what project we are building. So here I have erased all the code from these two files because now I will be just needing my own main codes here. So today I will be telling you that how you can just work on these all tags. So I will be moving to public folder, then I will be changing the title here, because like in the previous video of React 18 I've telling you what are filters. So in this video I will be just telling you that what are objects in React 18, because we have not learned about objects here. So I will be writing what are objects array in React 18, how you can just use objects array. So now I've just written my title here. So it is now starting my development server in my default Microsoft Edge browser. Now I will be doing it side by side. Then at the right we are getting our Microsoft Edge browser, means our interface, and at the left we are getting that all stuff. So our title has been changed, so we have to save it. You can see now it has been changed again. So I will be moving to my main file from here, and then I will be closing this terminal and closing this side panel as well, because now I've opened my two main files, so I will be not needing this all stuff. So when you just close all this thing, just you have to now do one thing here, like we have to start the codes of what the project we are building. So like I'm telling you, we are building objects array, and I'll be telling you that how you can use objects array here in React 18. So for using these objects array, there are many other various ways you can use these objects array. Like if I write here object in the value, if I write this is an object, so you will be seeing that it will be just giving me some error. If I show you by running this object here, you can see it is showing me this object value here. But if I want to write it in script tag, so I will be writing this value in script tag, but it will be showing me at the back end. So I will be just now writing this script value. Now I will be writing here object is equals to this is an object, and then after writing this object value, here you have, if you want to print this, so you will be writing here console.log. Then you can just write here, and here I will be just writing in this object, save it. Then you can see just it is not showing anything, means that at the back if I move to console, so you can see it is showing me like this. So it will be showing your value here which you will be writing. Because of that we have just written console.log to print this. So here like this you can use objects here. So if you want to write any object here in this app.js file to show it on the front end, so for doing that you have to now move here into your main file, then you have to make this object tag here. So I will be now creating an object tag. In the object tag you can just write the value here. So here you can just write the value or any other thing here in this object. So here I'll be writing this is an object. So this is the object value which we have written here. And then in the object value, you can just write here on select or area selected here on your, you can say this object selected. So here I will be saving it. So here you will be getting some other things in this. So this is the object tag which I have telling you now how you can use it. So now we'll be learning what are object arrays which you can just use in this file. So for using the object arrays, like we have just used br tag and all the hr tags, things like from hr you can get line, and using br you can just get the line space. So like this we can just use objects array here. So these are called objects array and expressions which we use here in React 18. So if I just tell you what are objects array, so basically that are the object values which we write here in the object tag. So that you can just use here. And there are many other various stuff which you can just use in this object arrays. Like here you can just use the select tag here to just show your various you can say the value of object here which you write here. Then you can just also use the h6 or h1 tag to show your value on this amazing you can say this amazing objects array here. So there are many various ways which you can just use to define objects array and to just print your objects array here. So you can just use here console.log tag as well to print your various things here which you want to print. So if I just write here objects value, so you will be just getting objects. If I write here, you can see only objects we are getting because we have only written the objects value. So you can just like this, you can use the objects value here. So using objects value, you can create the things as well. Like if I want to create button, so I can directly use input tag. You don't have to use directly the button tag here. So this is called the you can say this is called this objects array. Here you can just do things directly. You don't have to make the separate tag of anything here. Like if I want to name this button, so I will be moving here. I will be not moving in the center then giving name. You can directly move in the tag and you can write the value submit. If I get it, you can see submit button is here. If I want to write any other value here, reset is here. So like this, you can just change the name of the values and you can just change the type here. If you want to make checkbox, so in checkbox you can write like this checkbox. This is then here in the place of value you can write placeholder. So this reset will be in the placeholder. Save it. You can see here we are getting the checkbox, but we are not getting reset because I have written in the value of placeholder. If I directly write here value, so if I just now save here, so again we are not getting because in checkbox you cannot write any value. So if I just write here like button, because type should be button as well, so it is showing me the reset button. You can also style this button directly using objects array, but if you don't want to do that, so I can just do styling in separate file as well, because that will give more beauty to your work. And I also suggest that you should just work on separate files because that will be giving more beauty to your work. So I hope you understand that how you can just work on this objects array, and I hope you understand this simple video of objects array, how objects array can be used and what are objects array and how many types of objects array are here. There are many of the types of objects array, but I've telling you the beginning level objects array because we are just starting, we are on the starting, and moving forward I'll be bringing up more videos using React 18. So just I hope you understand this video. If you understand, enjoy this, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things, because I'll be uploading more videos like that. You can also check my Java tutorial videos which I have uploaded, because that will also giving you help if you want to learn Java from start to end. Previously on I've covered up the first you can say first project of Java, in which we have just built an amazing information system in the backend, and I hope you understand that. So now we'll be starting and we'll be now just meeting in next project with more amazing things using Java, and these all React 18 projects. So for today, goodbye.